We're here at the Linkx System stand, delighted to be joined by the Managing Director of Linkx System, David Hayward. How are you doing, David?
Very well, thank you.
Good show so far for you?
Just started, so time will tell.
Brilliant. So, you've got a few products on your stand here today. And first of all, is this orange robotic arm here. Tell us what this one's doing.
What we've got is this is shelf-ready packaging. So we're looking at a robot which picks and places products and places it into pre-erected cartons or trays.
Sure.
So prior to that, we have the tray erecting machine, stroke cartoning machine, which is a separate system which runs up to around 60 cycles per minute. Product was then pre-collated, and the robot will pick and place those products into the trays. It's really for shelf-ready packaging, so to assist the process in loading shelves in supermarkets.
Terrific. So just this V-grip system, the robot arm's very kindly showing us at the moment. Just tell us what we're seeing on the pads there.
The V-grip system is something done by Vmelka, which is a third party. And what it does, it's a vacuum system which allows you to pick up multiple sizes of products. It automatically shuts off the ports that it doesn't actually use. So we can pick up very small products and very large products with the same head. This type of system could be used for palletization, so we can pick up boxes, we can pick up shrink wrap packs, we can also pick up pallets within a pallet cell with this sort of technology.
Terrific. Random box sizer. Yes. Tell me why we need more random box sizing technology. I think there's a demonstration just here actually that makes it pretty evident.
Yeah. Well, intelligent random box sizing is a very, very new product. It's a patented system designed and manufactured by Linkx Systems. What it is targeted at is the e-commerce marketplace. So where you have packaging, which could be of multiple formats in multiple sizes of boxes in a warehouse where you buy products online. The next day you don't know what size box you're going to need to package, and hence currently you have a huge amount of void fill which is placed within the packages. So we've all had a parcel land on a doorstep which has got loads of polystyrene balls or a load of infill within the box, which is shipping effectively fresh air. So what the box sizer does is takes pre-packed products, so it could be completely random products in random sized boxes, and it automatically measures the size of the box and reduces the volume of the box to suit the product inside, reducing transportation costs.
So we've got some examples of that just here. So for example, on the left hand side here we can see some products that are in a large box. There's lots of filler in there. Your random box sizer does this and it shrinks the size down, and like you say, shipping less fresh air. Again, here's another example. You're spending a lot of money just shipping expanded polystyrene, which is bad for the environment and also kind of bad for business in lots of ways.
Yeah, it's there's a trend now. I mean, the big shift is because we're buying more online. Is we're going towards a volumetric type of charging system. So you've got big companies like UPS and FedEx are changing over to this volumetric charging system where they call it's a dimensional weight. So rather than just purely going on the weight of the parcel, which means that you can have a very small item in a big box, they go on the volume of the parcel. So the more fresh air you ship is the more you're going to pay in future.
Have you got any metrics or projections as to how much money your average e-business might be able to save, or how much volume they might be able to save using random box sizing technology?
Yeah, we've done the studies we've done so far, and we're sort of very cautious with this. Is typically a 30% saving on volume, so which is what we're depicting by the pallets there. But we have also spoken to other companies who've said actually it's close to 80 to 90% saving on volume.
Wow, that's extraordinary, 80 to 90% saving, and that highlights how much fresh air we have been shipping around.
Avoid the void.
Avoid the void, I like that. Let's move on to the gold bullion over here. So this is more than just gold bullion here. What is it that you're demonstrating, David?
What we've got here, this is it's a new product to us. It's a product which is imported from Canada, Cousins International. Again, it's a patented system, as the box sizer is. And what it can do is it's an automatic machine in the footprint of a semi-automatic machine. So the film through the patented A arm is automatically attached to the top of the pallet.
And that's what this A arm is at the top here?
That's the A arm there with the film attached. So it automatically attaches the film to the top of the pallet, which allows you to do different sort of wrap formats. You have the usual pre-stretch and all the rest of it, but you can just put wraps around the top. So if you're moving products just around a warehouse, it's not being shipped around the country, you might just want a couple of wraps on the top of the pallet to give you stability as you're moving products around the warehouse. So that's what this machine can do. But it's also automatic, is that you load the pallet with a fork truck, just press the remote control and press the start button, and it automatically detects where the pallet is, puts the film on, wraps it, however many wraps you want. You come back when it's finished, pick the pallet off and put a new one on. So you don't have to get off your truck to actually attach the film to the pallet. It's all done automatically. Hence it's a very cost-effective way of getting an automatic machine.
Terrific. 3 very interesting, very different products. Tell me about Linkx and the PPMA show. Is this your first time here, or are you a veteran?
No, we're regulars. We've been here on a few occasions now. Typically it's a good show for us. It's our main show of the year, and it's been good for our company.
And what sort of business do you do here? Is it chatting to people who buy your stuff, or is it about you learning about where the industry's going as well?
It's a bit of both. We always learn. That's how we've learnt about the requirements for the box sizer, is talking to people on shows and exhibitions, etc., and listening to what they want. But in terms of, do we sell machines straight off the show stand? No, we don't. It's more of a progression. It's people come along to see, which is the next part of the phase. As the machines we sell, high value capital equipment, and you do tend to take a while to get those orders through.
And finally, in terms of the industry trends that you're seeing at the moment, what's kind of new? Where's the innovation in the PPMA space at the moment?
Well, I'd like to say here at Linkx, really, we're innovative, and we're coming out with some very, very new products. We've got the random box sizing machine, which is extremely new to the marketplace. This is made, manufactured in the UK, designed and patented in the UK, and it's got a worldwide market. On the back of that, we've also got new products coming out for random bagging, which will go on the end of the random box sizing machines.
Brilliant. Well, listen, thank you so much for showing us around your stand, David. That's David Hayward from Linkx. Pop over and see some of the stuff in action. We'll speak to you later.